Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can merge your documents. If you have one or two or three documents that you want to put them together, then I think this website could be useful. www.ilovepdf.com. Okay, what you do is you go to this website, which I'll be showing. It's on the description box of my video, so you can check it and then click on it to do your work, guys. So what you do is that you can scroll through this website to see available options here for you. Press PDF, convert PDF to Word, so many options. But one important thing that I'll be talking about in my video is how to merge PDF. So you click on merge PDF option here. Then you click on select PDF files. Of course, there are two ways to select your PDF files. Either you select it from your computer or you drop it here directly. So I will show all the two steps. Okay, so we click on select PDF files. Then we select the forms. The document that you want to put them together. In this case, mine is form 1, form 2. Okay, then we click on enter key on the keyboard or you click on open here. Then all your files comes to the website. So what you do is you can even rotate the form. Okay, this rotation arrow here. Okay, you can rotate each of the form how you want to align the forms. Okay, all right, you can do that to any of the forms by rotating if you want. In any case, there is another tool on the website for rotating PDF. I'll show you that in the next video to come. Okay, so you have all your forms, you click on merge. Then within few seconds, approximately less than 1 minute, 60 seconds, you have your forms being downloaded automatically. Okay, or you can download it immediately, but if you leave it automatically, it becomes downloaded. You can see from your right hand side at the top there is downloaded here. So you can open it or you can click on the folder here to see where it is being downloaded to. By default, the form will be downloaded to the downloads folder. So this is the form, okay? Here, this is the downloaded form, guys. So it's downloaded. Now, once again, the other option to merge the files is to go to your folder containing your forms, in this case, form 1, form 2, okay? I have them here. Then you just drag the two forms or the number of forms you want to merge, then you bring it to the website here, then it comes here automatically. Then you merge, then it begins merging, then it goes to the downloaded folder, and then you go to see your files, guys. So this is the steps to merge your forms, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button to receive more insightful videos. Thank you, guys.